Hello! Let's learn some colors. Dark green color, orange color, dark blue color, purple color, yellow color, pink color, violet color, black color, light green color, brown color, red color, sky blue color. Let's learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Red color. A for airplane. Dark green color. B for blueberry. Orange color. C for cat. Dark blue color. D for dog. Purple color. E for egg. Black color. F for flower. Light green color. G for grapes. Violet color. H for horse. Brown color. I for ice. Pink color. J for juice. Yellow color. K for kite. Violet color. L for lollipop. Light green color. M for moon. Dark green color. N for net. Orange color. O for orange. Red color. P for pen. Dark blue color. Q for queen. Violet color. R for rose. Purple color. S for sun. Light blue color. T T for tree. Dark green color. U. U for uniform. Yellow color. V. V for violin. Brown color. W. W for watch. Violet color. X. X for X-ray. Pink color. Y. Y for yum. Black color. Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.